welcome back. And once again, we hope you had an absolutely lovely weekend. You ready for the question of the day? Okay. If you could be invisible for a whole day, what would you do? Think about it. I know, this is a tough one. If I could be invisible for a whole day, I'd just lay on the couch and be lazy. Remember, the answer is yours. The challenge is how you creatively express your answer. So go ahead, be brilliant. And it was so great to see all the responses from last week. But if you forgot, remember, here is how you submit. Well, here's a fun fact. It has been over 6 months since we launched the virtual Doodle Lounge. So why don't we check in and see how it's going?
Doodle Lounge, I like how I'm able to talk with my friends and do something that I like, which is drawing.
I like that you could be able to draw things and see your friends.
This is really important to their sense of community and also to their personal growth as young artists.
Well, to me, it means being able to share all the wonderful creativity to others and being able to express myself, and also giving me the chance to share some valuable insight.
And it definitely for the summer has been the light of my days and a lot of the social interaction that I have.
The virtual Doodle Lounge is just one way that we stay connected and engaged through creativity and through shared experience. And that is why we're here, to bring light, love, and laughter to each and every one of your islands of brilliance.